In this example, we're asked to complete the square for y equals 2x squared plus 4x plus 11 by writing it in the form y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. So the first step in this process is to factor out a, which is the coefficient in front of your x squared, out of the first two terms only. So the terms containing the x's, we must factor out that coefficient in front of the x squared. So I'll do that right now. Now I'm going to factor out the 2 from the first two terms. So I will have 2 times x squared plus 2x, close bracket, and I'm still going to have this plus 11. For step 2, I have to divide the coefficient in front of my x, so this, by 2, and square it, and add this result and subtract it inside the brackets. And since I'm adding and subtracting, I'm not doing anything illegal. So now I will have y equals 2 times x squared still, and now the coefficient in front of my x is 2, and now I need to divide this by 2 and square it. So 2 divided by 2 is just 1, and 1 squared is also 1. So here what I'm doing is I'm adding and subtracting 1. And this is what's going to allow me to result in a perfect square upon factoring this quadratic expression, plus 11. For step 3, we have to bring that new term that we subtracted, in this case the 1, outside of the brackets, but we have to remember to multiply it through with this 2 here. So this is what we have for y now. Y will equal 2 times x squared plus 2x plus 1, and now I'm going to subtract 2 times 1. So it will be minus 2 plus 11, and I'll simplify this a little more. 2 times x squared plus 2x plus 1 plus 9. Now, for the last step, all we're really doing is we just need to factor this quadratic expression we have in the brackets. And what we have done in the previous steps ensures that this will be a perfect square, because the two numbers that add up to 2 and multiply to be 1 are both positive 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 times 1 is 1. Therefore, we can write this as 2 times x plus 1 squared plus 9. And this is the exact answer that they were looking for, because you can see we have it in the form a times x minus h squared plus k.